Hello students, good morning once again. Today we will start the chapter rational number, a very famous chapter and very important topic of mathematics, rational number. First we will start with the definition of rational number. Before starting this, we know that we all have studied about the natural numbers, integers, fractions and decimals. So after this four topic we will start the rational number. So what will be the definition of rational number? The definition of rational number will be very similar to the definition of fraction. So the definition will be any number of the form p upon q. Any number of the form p upon q. P upon q means in the quotient form. You can write what quotient form. Quotient. So any number of the form p by q where p comma q are integers, both are integers, and most important thing that denominator, this q should not be equal to 0. So this is the standard definition of rational number, that any number of the form numerator upon denominator, p upon q are quotient form where p and q are integers, both should be integers, and q is not equal to 0. So we have the two restrictions. The first restriction is that the numerator and denominator are integers, and the second is what denominator should not be equal to 0. So if I write, we discuss about example, if I write 4, then just satisfy this p upon q. This can be written as 4 upon 1. Now this is p and this is q. Here p is 4 is what? Integer. 4 is what? Integer. 1 is also what? Integer. 1 is also integer. You can draw the graph 0, 1, 2, dot dot dot, minus 1, minus 2, dot dot dot. Here negative, here positive, this is 0. So 1 is integer, 4 is integer. This is satisfied. Second condition is what? That denominator should not be equal to 0. Here denominator is what? 1. 1 is not equal to 0. 1 can never be equal to 0. So we can say that 4 is what? Rational number. 4 is what? Rational number. Like this example, if we take 1 upon 5, is it rational number? So just check, this is in already p upon q form. This is p upon q form. So p is what? 1 is integer, right? It is integer. Q is what? 5. It is also 5 is also integer, positive integer. So, and the last condition, this 5 is not equal to 0, so it is also a rational number. It is also a rational number. So like this you can write many rational number, like minus 7 upon 3. Minus 7 is integer, 3 is integer, 3 is not equal to 0. This is rational number. One most important thing about 0. Zero rational number. So to clarify that 0 is rational or not, we will do simple thing, that 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. 0 can be written as 0 upon 1. So this 0 is already integer here, and upon 1, because 0 upon 1 is again 0. You can do this like easily. Divisor is 1, divided in 0, 1 0 the 0. So this is completely divisible. Quotient will be 0. So this is 0 upon 1. This is integer, and denominator is not equal to 0. Numerator is 0 and there is no condition on numerator. P is integer, done. But the second restriction is on only q. So this q is not equal to 0. So it is satisfying the definition of rational number. So 0 is also what? Rational number. 0 is also rational number. So these are the examples of rational number. You can write that it is denoted as q. It is denoted as q. You can say set of all rational number. Set of all rational number means when you will collect the whole collection of rational number at one place, then that will be denoted as q. That this is q. Some important key points. Now we will start with the basic number system, like natural number. We know that 1, 2, 3 ... these are the natural numbers. You can say capital N. These are the natural numbers. Just look upon these natural numbers. These all number can be written easily: 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1, and so on. So the above part, now these natural numbers are converted into p upon q. So p means all the numerator are integer, denominator is 1, same, and denominator is also integer, and this 1 is not equal to 0. So we can say one important points, that first point, all natural numbers are rational numbers. All the natural numbers are rational numbers. You can extend it, but not conversely. What is the meaning of this but not conversely? Means सारे नेचुरल नंबर, जितने भी नेचुरल नंबर्स होते हैं वो रेशनल श्योरली होंगे, बट सारे रेशनल नंबर नेचुरल नंबर होंगे कि नहीं, इट इज नॉट श्योर. फॉर एग्जांपल, काउंटर एग्जांपल, 1/2 इज रेशनल नंबर, राइट? रेशनल नंबर, but 1/2 is not natural number, right? Means all the natural are rational, but all the rational are not natural. Why? Because just take example, 1/2 is rational, but 1/2 is not a natural number. So you can note it. Now the second key point is all the integers are rational. All the integers are rational number, but not conversely. Once again, the meaning is same, that every integers will be rational number. हम सभी integers को rational number कह सकते हैं easily, but सभी rational number integers नहीं होंगे. The example is that 0, 1, 2 and so on, -1, -2 and so on. These are the integers. These all integers can be just written as upon 1, upon 1, upon 1, upon 1. So these all are converted into converted into rational number. Why? Because these are in the form of p upon q, p upon q, p upon q. P are integer already, q is 1, 1 is integer already, and q is 1, 1 is not equal to 0. So these all are the integers. But the counter example is what? Not conversely. Means every rational number like 2 upon 5, 2 upon 5 is rational number. 2 upon 5 is rational number, but this 2 upon 5 is not integer. It is not integer. 2 upon 5 is not integer. So this is the second key point. Note it. So we will move towards the last key points of today. So the last key point of the day is what? Last third point, that all the fractions are rational number but not conversely. Once again, the statement are similar. All the fractions are rational number. We can say every fraction is what? Rational. But every rational cannot be fraction. Maybe, may not be. Example is what? That 1 upon 2, 7 upon 5, 8 upon 19, etc. are fractions. You can just observe, all are in the form of p upon q. P is 1, q is 2, p is 7, q is 5, p is 8, q is 19, and if each denominator is not equal to 0. So according to definition, all are what? Rational number. All are what? Rational number. But one important thing, just look at this example, minus 7 upon 5. Here minus 7 is integer, minus 7 is integer, 5 is integer. This is of the form p upon q, and 5 is not equal to 0. So this minus 7 upon 5 is what? Rational number. This is what? Rational number. P upon q, q is not equal to 0, p and q are integer. But is it fraction? Minus 7 upon 5 is fraction or not? Check it. In any number, the definition of fraction is what? Any number of the form p upon q where p and q are whole number. But here minus 7 is what? Minus 7 is not whole number. 5 is okay, but minus 7 is not whole number. So this is not a fraction. This is not a fraction. Means this is rational but not a fraction. But all fractions are rational numbers. Simple statement that all fractions are rational but all rational cannot be fraction. And you know very well that fractions are always positive. A part of any things is always positive. Rational can be negative, but fraction cannot be negative. So these are the 3 points of about the fraction number. Now one thing we will do, this is the larger circle representing rational number, right? Rational numbers. Now inside this is the larger circle, and inside this the things will be fraction. What? Fractions. Now inside this is what? Integers. This is what? Integers, and the natural number. Natural numbers. You can also write for the whole number. This is whole number, right? So these are the sphere. Means largest is what? Rational number. Means rational number will include all the number. Means natural are rational, whole number are rational number, integers are rational number, fractions are rational number, but not conversely. You can draw this on a fair copy. This is rough figure. You can draw a proper circuit with the compass and protector. So okay, today these topics are done. Next day we will start the equivalent rational number, rational between rational number, and many more. So for now it's done, the rational number.